Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. On top of that, stylish crypto lovers now can design a black and yellow Binance outfit and the flag the drip on Instagram and TikTok. There will be two winners chosen and they will get $400 Binance coin or BNB each. And so, when you are ready to voyage to Paris in your fresh Binance suite, there's a travel discount for a wide selection of hotels in Paris up for grabs with the code Binance Paris. Furthermore, there's a Web3 inspired Instagram filter dropping on the 2nd of September. Users who try out the new filter are able to share another $500 in Binance Coin or BNB. Last but not least, any crypto enthusiasts who can't make it to the event live shouldn't be their lanes. There will be a unique chance to win $1,000 in Binance Coin while streaming the conference from anywhere around the globe. In that case, just simply capture the screenshot and describe why the moments caught for your attention. Early bird tickets are live now at this moment. There are still tickets to the Binance Coin for $525, which is 20% less than the regular price. The promotional sale will only last until the end of the day, while tickets to the conference will be priced at $700. The promotional sale will only last until the end of the day, while tickets to the conference will be priced at $700 starting August 20. Ultimately, sitting at the table with the crypto grids and sharing ideas about metaverse in the Georgia surroundings of Paris is easier than ever. Aussie exchange swift cost up by 21% mid bear market. Australian crypto exchange swift highlights inflation, a recession, and the bear market as the reasons behind the European net layoff. Australian crypto exchange Swift has had to lay off 21% of its staff to lower costs as it went through the current bear market. According to Wednesday, not from CEOs Alex Harper and Lillian Parsons, it stated that 74 trades had to be let go, as the current economic climate that they were hired in has shifted dramatically to what it is today. As you are all aware, we are operating in an sustained business environment with level of domestic inflation not seen in over 2 decades, rising interest rates, highly volatile markets across all asset classes, and the potential for a global recession. We want to be very clear that impacting our teammates in this way is a last resort and is not, in any way, a reflection of the talent or commitment of those individuals, they added. A spokesperson from Swiss explained the decision a little further to Cointelegraph, nothing that this was a hard decision but a prudent one that ensures our cause are compatible with this extended period of economic uncertainty. We are deeply grateful for everything the team members who are leaving us have done and we're working to support them through this extremely hard period, they said. Swift joins a long list of crypto firms to have suffered growing pains as a result of the hefty downward trend in crypto in this year, with United States exchange Coinbase and Germany both slashing their headcount by 18% and 20% over the past couple of months. In June, the crypto exchange announced it will be merging with the Australian online investing platform Superhero as part of 1 billion mergers, which is expected to complete around mid-2023. At the time, Superhero CEO founder John Winters said that the two platforms will operate independently of each other and that no job losses are expected as a part of the merger. Related crypto spending may be down, but awareness remains critical expert. The announcement Also follows a major employee call from Singapore-based exchange Crypto.com, which laid off 260 people in June, equating to 5% of its employee base. Maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.